The iPhone Notes app helps store to-do lists, diaries, etc., often synced with iCloud for backup. Need to access notes on iPhone, iPad, or computer? This guide shows how to move notes from iCloud to iPhone, PC, or Mac. Part 1. How to export notes from iCloud to iPhone. Go to Settings, your name, iCloud, enable iCloud Backup, Backup now. Once done, go to Settings, General, Reset, erase all content and settings. On the Apps and Data page, select Restore from iCloud Backup, sign in, and choose the backup to restore notes. Part 2. How to download notes from iCloud to Mac. Click the Apple logo, System Preferences, iCloud, and enable Notes. Open Launchpad, find Notes, select Notes to export. Click File, Export as PDF. Choose a save location, and click Save. Part 3. How to access iCloud Notes on PC. Install iCloud for Windows, log in, and sync notes. Open Outlook, go to Export, to download notes. View them in your chosen folder. Part 4. How to save iCloud Notes to computer. The previous method doesn't allow previewing or saving notes offline. For that, use MobiConductor for iOS, a simple tool to download and save iCloud content to your computer. It easily restores data from iCloud, iTunes, or directly from iPhone or iPad. Step 1. Download Doctor for iOS and install it on your computer. Launch it and choose Recover from iCloud in the left sidebar, and then sign in to your iCloud account. Step 2. The next screen will show you the data categories for your iCloud account. To extract notes only, you can tick off the Notes option to access your iCloud notes. Step 3. All the notes available in your iCloud account will be scanned out. You can select the notes you would like to download to your computer and click on the Recover to Computer button at the bottom.